In today's video, I'll be doing some savings challenges for my month ahead funds. I'll be saving with $70 today, and everything goes towards my yearly goal that I have of 10K. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Qvatis, and if you are returning, thank you so much for joining me today. And today I will be moving forward doing some savings challenges that all help me to get towards my goal of 10K for the year. And I do have some different challenges I'll be introducing today, and everything will be in the scratch off savings challenges. Some I have already started and some are new, and I will be showing you as we work through these. So these are some of the new challenges that I'm going to be working on. This is actually, I'm getting this into a book. So it's God is Still Writing Your Story. Stop Trying to Steal the Pen. And then it can save up $500. You know, each card is a different amount. And this will actually fit well into the A5. Oh, and then, you know, I have this matcha dessert one too. I'm going to be working on that one. And I'll be working also on this Birth Flower Month challenge. So I'll be doing all scratch offs today. All right, let's start here because I had already started these challenges. And this is a savings book by Cashing In with Shelly. So I do want to get at least one of, since I started them, at least one of these scratched off today. All right. Okay, and that one is $8. So that's $8 I need to put away. 6, 7, 8. And this lovely challenge is by Cashing In with Shelly. It has 10 scratch off cards. They are DIY cards. It's a digital download, and they are $50 each. So you can make it up yourself, and it's available on her Ko-Fi. I'll have it linked below. I'll have her channel linked below. She's also on YouTube and Etsy. This is the Birth Flower Month Savings Challenge, and it's a book of 12 scratch off cards, and it saves $600. And January's over, and I'm in February, which means I need to get this done before February is over. So let me get started on these. We'll scratch a couple today. What's that? 5. 5 and 3 is 8. Try to get an even amount. Okay, another 8. All right, that's 16. What we got? So that's 16 so far. Let's do one more. Still gonna be with that $1. 16, what's that? 21. Okay. That's $21 now. And these funds go here. And these are envelopes. So they also do have like the savings challenge version of this. I do have. It's just a card. I'm gonna go ahead and get this matcha. Since matcha green tea is like my favorite thing right now, I think it's down here. I'm gonna start this one first. Okay. Let's get one of these scratched off. I'm gonna scratch this one here. That's $6. Just gonna do one today. Resist the temptation. Okay, and the $6, I'm just gonna put it here. 6. And let's go to, I'm gonna start with the very first one that's here. And this card saves $45. These scratch a little bit different when they're not laminated because I did not laminate these. Never noticed that before. Okay, so that's 7. Let's do one more. All right, and 3. So that's an even 10. Okay, $10 for that one. Okay, so this one so far has saved $10. And I am going to go ahead and you're going to quickly see me going ahead and hole punching these cards so that they'll have somewhere to go. I haven't been used to the A5s, but I'm just going to get my thing set up so I can do an A5 punch for this challenge and get these put away so that the money is not all scattered about. I was initially just going to bind these up in a book because I do have a book binder. So if you see it, I don't know what the preference is for most people. Do you like having it like a whole challenge book or having the A5 savings cards? I do tend to like having the dashboard and then the savings envelope behind it. It's just an easier workflow since I'm using so many different challenges right now because I'm trying to meet a specific goal. And so far we've used up 45 of the 70 that we are saving, and then I'm just going to go in and do a couple of more challenges after I get this situated. A 6 and a 4. And I don't want to get too many of these started at one time though. 10. Okay. And let's do this. I'm going to go back to this one, get some more of these scratched off because I don't want to start too many at once. Have too many going at one time. Okay. See how these come off a lot easier when there's lamination under it. Okay, so that was 4. That's 7. Let's see, let's do one more. 4, 7, and 7 is 14. 12, 13, 14. Okay. Okay, so we used up $69 of the $70 allowance that we had for today. And this other $1 is just going to go for rollover for the next week's cash stuffing or savings challenge. And that is all we will be doing here today. Let me know in the comments if you are using scratch offs and what type of goals you have. Until next time, have a great day. Bye.